Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can you stop messaging on Roblox. So first of all, just go to your Roblox app. Now in the Roblox app, click the bottom last, the three dot icon. Now just scroll a bit and click on settings. Now click on privacy, the third option. Now in the communication section, the first option is who can message me. Just click on it. And now select the last option, no one. And this is how you can stop messaging on Roblox. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.